Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 29th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is still going up a little bit today. So we are up $7.73, closed at $10.9957. Post market, we are down by $1.24 at $10.9833. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday, we had a low at 1054.69, one of our resistance that we have been following. And today, guess what? We have a high at 1116.02. So it seems like we are getting into a little bit of a congestion zone between these two numbers. We made a higher low and a higher high also. And we have a longer wick at the bottom here than at the top. The stock came back down. It's finished up, not higher than where it opened, but still there's some buying pressure left towards the end of the day. So 1116.02 was a resistance that was used a lot in the past. Now we can see here on November 1st, December 27th, January 12th. We are slowing down a little bit today, so that's a little bit understandable because we had a big gap yesterday. So it seems like the stock is slowing down just a little bit, but nothing to be afraid of for now. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So this is the first candle of the day right here. We were above 1079 yesterday. We closed above 1079. We stayed above 1079. So we see here on the 1 hour chart that we are really stabilizing at this point. So it has been pretty much 2 days of stabilization. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic still super strong at 95. MACD very strong also. RSI still overbought and DMI is still green. The next resistance that we need to think about is this one right here. So this is the second channel resistance. So we have been going through these resistance quite fast. So second channel resistance is the one to take a look at. The horizontal lines that I draw are basically milestones on a journey. They don't define a path as well as the diagonal lines. So if you take a look at this here, so this is something I wanted to share with you guys. We had the downward channel right here, and the stock was going up and down between these two trend lines, basically. The stock was still taking into consideration these horizontal lines here. It was taking them into consideration, sometimes bouncing on one, but the overall journey was really to bounce on these support and resistance right here. To me, in one sense, the diagonal trend lines are more important than the horizontal ones, in the sense that the diagonal ones tend to define a path, tend to define a slope of increase or a slope of decrease, whereas the horizontal lines don't give us that information. But the horizontal lines are important in terms of buying prices. If you want to buy low and sell high, each price will have its own horizontal line. But in terms of the pathway, I really like to look at the diagonal lines. Anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. So if you have any comments on that, you can leave them below. But this is what I notice. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.